Hey friends, if you wish to fix VLC media player not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Search for VLC in the Windows search bar. Click on the download pointing arrow in the right pane. Select Run as Administrator and check if it works. If it doesn't, then you will straight away have to reinstall it. So search for VLC in the Windows search bar. Click on the download pointing arrow and uninstall it. Click on these three dots. Select uninstall and uninstall. Click on OK, next, and uninstall it. Finish. Okay, now search for store in the Windows search bar. Open Microsoft Store, search for VLC, and then you can go to the VLC application and install it from here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.